Question number 5. Evaluate limit x tends to 1 root of 1 minus cos 2 x minus 1 upon x minus 1 if it exists. So first I will find what left hand limit and right hand limit. First I am finding what left hand limit. Limit x tends to 1. So limit x tends to 1 minus, limit x tends to 1 minus. That's what root 1 minus cos 2. At the place of x I will write what? Let's say let x tends to 1 minus h, because negative x tends to 1 minus left hand limit. So x tends to 1 minus h. When x tends to 1 minus, when x tends to 1 minus, h tends to what? 0 minus. So I can change the value. First I will write here limit x tends to 1 minus cos 2 x minus 1. Same I am writing upon x minus 1. So I will write what? Limit h tends to 0 minus root 1 minus cos 2. At the place of x I will write what? 1 minus h minus 1 upon 1 minus h minus 1. Is it clear? 1 minus 1 cancel. Limit h tends to 0 minus root of 1 minus cos 2 of 1 minus cos 2, 1 minus cos 2 into minus h. See here, 1 minus cos 2 into minus h, 1 minus cos 2 into minus h. So minus minus plus cos 2 h upon 1 minus 1 cancel minus h. Root of 1 plus cos 2h upon minus h. So limit h tends to 0 minus root of 1 plus cos 2x. That is what? 2 cos square x. So 2 cos square. Here it is 2h. So 2 cos square, half of this. 2 cos square h. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to what? 2 cos square theta. So 1 plus cos 2h is equal to 2 cos square h upon minus h. Upon minus h. So you can say limit h tends to 0 minus root 2 into cos h upon minus h. So you can see here, if I will take root 2 outside, limit h tends to 0 minus cos h upon minus h. So you know what will you get? Root 2 into limit h tends to 0 minus cos h upon minus h. What will you get? Tell me. Cos h. Cos 0 is what? 1 upon minus. That is what? 0 minus 0. So you will get what? Infinity. You will get what? Infinity. So it is not possible that left hand limit should be equal to infinity. It is not possible. And right hand limit, if I will find, first of all, though it is not possible, then also I will find right hand limit. That is what? Limit x tends to 1 plus. So let x tends to 1 plus h. So when x tends to 1 plus, h tends to what? 0 plus. So limit x tends to 1 plus will change in limit h tends to 0 plus, and root of 1 minus cos 2. At the place of x I will write what? 1 plus h minus 1 upon 1 plus h minus 1. 1 1 cancel. 1 1 cancel. So here what will you get? Limit h tends to 0 plus root of 1 minus cos 2 into plus h. So minus cos 2 h upon h. Root of 1 minus cos 2 h upon h. 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to what? Limit h tends to 0 plus 1 minus cos 2 theta is what? 2 sine square h upon h. Now limit h tends to 0 plus root 2 will come outside, and it is what? Limit h tends to 0 plus root of sine square is h. That is what? Sine h upon h. So here it is what? Limit h tends to 0 plus sine h upon h. That is what? Limit h tends to 0. Sine h upon h. That is what? 1. So root 2 into 1. Answer is what? Root 2. Here right hand limit we are getting what? Root 2, and left hand limit is what? Infinity you are getting. Both are not equal, and first of all it is infinity. We can't calculate. So we can say it does not exist. Thank you.